Welcome, everyone, to the Techaibuz podcast. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the AI advancements from the third week of July. Our goal, as always, is to kind of unpack the important stuff for you, give you that shortcut to what's happening on the cutting edge. And this week, wow, AI is not just moving fast, it's really branching out, isn't it?
Absolutely. We're seeing everything from, new creative tools, privacy tech, even helping out with ancient history. It's quite a mix.
Okay, let's start with Google. They had a few things drop. First, Opal from Google Labs. What is that all about?
Yeah, Opal. So this one's pretty interesting. It's in public beta in the US, and it basically lets you describe, create, and then share these little AI mini apps.
Mini apps, like for specific tasks.
Exactly. So you can either remix ones they've already built, like, say, a blog post writer tool. It helps outline research, even generates images for you.
Yeah.
Or you could build something totally new from scratch, maybe an app to find the latest AI news and make a summary page with the sources. It's all about making flexible AI-powered workflows more accessible.
Okay, that sounds potentially really useful for, everyday kind of tasks. Now, sticking with Google, what about WebGuide? This sounds like it could change search a bit.
Yeah, WebGuide is. It's experimental right now. It uses a custom version of their Gemini model.
Custom version, okay.
And this technique they call query fan-out. Basically, imagine you type in a broad search, like how to solo travel in Japan.
Right, something open-ended.
Exactly. So WebGuide kind of fans out that query, asks related questions behind the scenes, and then groups the results. So you might get sections like comprehensive guides or safety tips.
So it organizes the chaos a bit, makes discovery easier.
Precisely. It's less about just finding links and more about understanding the different facets of a topic. Really changes how you discover information, potentially.
Interesting. Okay, and then on a lighter note, Google Photos is getting some pretty wild updates.
Oh, yeah. This is fun. You can now take your own still photos and turn them into videos.
Wait, even if they weren't videos to begin with?
Yep. There's an I'm feeling lucky feature that can literally create moments that never actually happened, just from a still picture. It's rolling out in the US, Android, and iOS.
Slightly mind-bending.
It is. And they've also added new remix styles. You can turn your photos into, like, cartoon or anime versions. And these remix features are also coming to YouTube Shorts, too.
Injecting AI creativity right into our photo libraries and social feeds then. Okay, so moving beyond the Google sphere, what else stood out this week?
Well, Leonardo.ai launched V3 Fast.
V3 Fast.
Yeah, it's their video generation model. This new version is apparently 3 times faster than the old one, generates an 8-second video with sound for less cost, too.
Wow. How fast are we talking?
They gave an example like Bigfoot shooting a selfie at a mountain campsite.
Okay.
Brought to life in about a minute, so pretty quick for generating video from text.
That's impressive speed. Okay, what else?
And there's Higsfield Steel. It's from Higsfield AI. It's a Chrome extension.
Chrome extension, right. Doing well.
It lets you take pretty much any image you see on a web page, and it recreates it as a slightly modified AI version, kind of like an AI remix button for web images.
Neat. And privacy. Anything new there?
Yes. Proton, the Proton Mail folks, they launched Lumo. It's a privacy-focused chatbot.
Okay, privacy-focused how?
The key thing is everything you type is private. They say there's no data collection, no training on your conversations. It uses a custom transformer model built by Proton.
So it's not just using some off-the-shelf model. That's a big deal for privacy, yeah.
Definitely. And then OpenAI rolled out its ChatGPT Agent more widely. It's now available for Plus, Pro, and Team users.
Right, the agent for automating tasks.
Exactly. Things like, automatically pulling AI news from an X list and then organizing it all into a Google Sheet for you, automating those workflows.
Which brings us to AI in maybe less expected places, like DeepMind's Aeneas.
Oh, this is fascinating. Yeah, Aeneas is an AI model designed to help historians.
Historian.
It helps them interpret and even restore ancient texts that are really fragmented. Think like damaged Latin inscriptions. It predicts missing characters or words.
Wow. So AI helping us understand the past better.
Pretty much. They're calling it state-of-the-art for this kind of work. And there's actually an interactive version online at predictingthepast.com if you want to check it out.
We'll have to look at that. Okay, and one more. Pika Labs. They're doing something social.
Yeah, Pika Labs. They've got this invite-only app called Pika Social AI Video.
Social AI video. What's the concept?
Well, the idea is users can animate their selfies or even put themselves into AI-generated scenes. The goal seems to be creating a social feed that's mostly filled with these AI versions of your friends rather than, regular photos or videos.
So an AI-first social network. Interesting direction. Okay, pulling this all together, what's the big picture takeaway for you, our listener, from all this?
I think what we're seeing really is AI moving beyond just being a specialist tool. It's getting woven into everyday creative stuff, how we find information, even into very specific academic fields like history.
Right.
And the speed, from photo to video tricks to serious privacy tools to reading ancient texts. It just shows how broad the impact is becoming, and sometimes in really surprising ways, and maybe something to think about. Now that AI can make these super realistic videos from photos or even build whole social feeds of AI versions of us, how does that start to change how we think about what's real, what's authentic online?
That is definitely a question worth pondering. A great place to wrap up this deep dive into the latest in AI. We really hope you found some surprising things in there and got some useful insights. If you enjoyed this, maybe learned something new, please do take a second to like and share this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the Techaibuz channel for more deep dives like this one. Thanks for tuning in.